Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your payment platforms, link it to Amazon KDP, and start receiving your money for your books. Alright, so the payment platform that we'll be exploring today will be Payoneer. With Payoneer, it's super easy to collect your Amazon money into your Payoneer foreign account, and then you can transfer to your local bank account. Alright, so people, just head straight into this video and I show you how this process works. So firstly, what is Amazon KDP payment platform? So basically, Amazon KDP payment platform simply is the fintech or online payment services that Amazon work with or partner with in terms of paying out money to their KDP publishers. And in case you've not seen our last video, we actually saw that Amazon has paid out a whopping $45 million plus to Amazon KDP publishers. Alright, this is it. So it's real and people are increasingly benefiting from it. So to be able to actually withdraw your payment from Amazon when you've made your sales on your KDP, you can create a Payoneer account, or if you already have a Payoneer account, you follow me through this process as I show you how to link your Payoneer account to your Amazon KDP. Alright, so if you're just joining on the channel, stay your boy Mr. Noble Boy on this channel, and thank you for watching this video. And if you have subscribed, thanks for subscribing. If you're a new visitor, I urge you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like to this video so that it goes viral, so that more people are able to watch videos like this and benefit from the helpful tips in the video. Alright, so we'll just dive into the next item, which is which platforms are acceptable by Amazon. Amazon accepts a whole lot of platforms, payment platforms, and to start with, I've listed 3 platforms here. As you can see, Payoneer, Grey.co, PayPal. These are the ones that I've actually worked with, and I can confirm that yes, it's working. So I've actually, before this moment, I've linked my Grey.co UK receiver account, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be linking my Payoneer, so it will be a walkthrough process. So I'll be doing it with you so you can see me how I'm able to do it. And if you don't have a Payoneer account, it's very easy, super easy to create. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can follow up and sign up using your email, and then you fill in the necessary details such as your name and other identity, and that's it. It's very easy to open. Alright, so just head straight to the video so I can show you how to link your Payoneer. Alright, so I'm going to come to Payoneer. If you're doing the process with me, go to your browser and type in Payoneer in the search engine, and then it brings you to this place, their website. You click on sign up and earn, and I'm seeing option to sign in because I already have an account, so I'm signing in. So I just put in my username and password so I can log in. Alright, as you can see, my balance is 600 USD, and I've actually done a lot of transactions, but that's not what I'm here for. So the thing I want to do is to link my Payoneer bank accounts to my KDP. So I'm just going straight to banks and cards. So bank accounts for withdrawal, receiving bank accounts, will go to receiving bank accounts. Sorry. Then we can see 3 receiving bank accounts that I've actually opened. Alright, so when that is all set, what I'm going to do is to select the bank account that I want to connect to my Amazon KDP. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to connect this second account right here, my USD account. So I'm just going to grab all the important details such as the bank account number, the routing number, and then I'm just going to come to my KDP dashboard and insert them. So first what I'm going to do here is to click on your account, and then it brings me to this page where I will head straight to getting paid. As you can see, I've already added a bank account, so I'm going to just click on add another bank account. So it's asking, tell us about your bank account country. So I'm going to select the US because it's a US bank account, checking bank account actually. So I'm going to head over to Payoneer and then grab the details from my bank account. Sorry, I'm going to have to sign in again. So remember where you can get your bank account details in Payoneer is banks and cards, and then receiving accounts for collecting accounts. So the second account, which is the one I obviously want to connect or link with Amazon, I'll come here and then copy the account number, go over to the Amazon website, and then put the account number at the space where it says account number, and then we enter it here. And then there's this space here that says account name, so I'm going to put my official account name for the Payoneer account that I have. I'm linking. So I'm going to go back to Payoneer and grab the routing number because it's requesting for it. So just copy it and come over to Amazon and then paste the routing number. Then as soon as everything is all checked, you can just click on add, and then it will automatically add to the bank account. And that's, if you're all done with this, make sure you fill in the correct details that reflects your account detail with Payoneer, and that's exactly how you can